Teddy Ballgame, the Kid, the Thumper, the man with a million nicknames now has a plaque at his former school. Before Ted Williams was loading up the batting titles with the Boston Red Sox, he was swinging for the fences as a Hoover Cardinal. He attended the school from 1934 to 1937, a Hall of Fame player commonly referred to as the best hitter of all time, but also a Hall of Fame person. And E. Clampus Vitus, which is a group that preserves the heritage of the Western United States, they wanted to make sure students there know his story.
He was a very passionate, dedicated, amazing American, and I hope that from a Hoover High School perspective that this plaque showcases who the man was and also gives, future Hoover students and current Hoover students, the idea that they could soar and that they could do great things in their lives.
Williams and Tony Gwynn, who of course is another baseball legend and Hoover graduate, also have a mural on campus in their honor.